fears about the Electoral College are quite different from the founders. Today, we think that the Electoral College kind of fails if the popular vote doesn't match the electoral vote. And as I just mentioned, they're not even really thinking about the popular vote.
The country has moved more and more towards believing that while voters choose representatives who then choose the policies that we have, and at least to some considerable degree, choose the president, that we've come to believe that voters should play a significant role. And of course, what we also have is a constitutional system that makes it extraordinarily difficult to change things. But I would never rule out the possibility of a Dewey-type upset.